This street will break you and it will make you. When you think about all the dollars, all the amounts of money every other YouTuber is talking about, you want to get it, right? If you are a small YouTuber or you're planning to start creating content on YouTube, then this video is specially for you. Now, if you've been on YouTube for some time and you feel like your content are not getting the views and the watch hours that you expect, then you want to watch this video till the very end and also watch the other videos that will come after this, because this video is made specially for people like me. Because right now, if you go through my channel, you realize that I am also a small YouTuber struggling, to go viral somehow and someday. Now, I've done a lot of videos similar to the one I'm doing today, but this one is a strategy I want to take up with you. So if you're a young YouTuber or you're planning to start creating content, then you want to follow me on this journey. Now, if this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is this? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, do consider to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell and watch this video till the end. Now, so I watched this video and this particular strategy about, growing my YouTube channel. And I watched this other strategy of growing my channel. And I watched this one too. It's another strategy. Now, I have done more than 10 different strategies just to make sure that one of my video or all my video will go viral. But unfortunately, I am still here. And at this point, I feel like the channel or the views and the watch hours are instead getting worse. Now, this wasn't the case before monetization and before me getting my pin from Google AdSense. Amazing, right? I know. The last video I did about this, I felt so terrible. I almost cried. But right now, YouTube has made me the strongest woman on earth, as I can put it, because when I turn around and I use this content, to try to let my videos go viral and I don't succeed, I feel terrible. And the thing is, other YouTubers are using this strategy to grow their YouTube channel. So what's wrong with me? Or what's wrong with Claudia Fonguh TV? What is really wrong with my channel? I have tried every other means, like I said, 10 and even above, but none has worked for me. And the worst part of it is I will always go back to compare the other, small YouTubers who have grown faster than I have, to compare their videos with mine and to see where I went wrong. And I'll even see that my videos are better than this. Sometimes they tell you, you have to post at this time, you'll be able to get more views. But I post at that time and nothing. So I'll do the comparison. I'll even see that I'm better. So what is really the problem? And then I came up with this. Now, the first thing I thought about as Claudia Fonguh TV was, all right, if all the strategies I have tried out are not working, can I, change my niche? Now, one thing I know about myself is I always want to do what I love so that I can give it my all. Now, what if I change my niche and say, okay, maybe I'm going into comedy, and to be sincere, I know nothing about being a comedian. Yes, I'm an actor, but a comedian, I don't think I can pull that out. Well, I haven't tried it anyway. So I thought about it. If I don't like something and I go into it, I won't give it my all. I love educative channels or educative topics But I love money too. And when you look left, look right, look up, you look down, every YouTuber is talking about $5,000, $1,000, $500. And then the month runs to an end. And I'm in this studio every other day, and still we're talking about $100 or 200, and the struggle is there. All right. So I came to the conclusion that Claudia Fonguh TV is going to go through all this other, these videos. We're going to pick a video, follow the strategy, and then give it time to see the difference with the channel. Now, this is because I don't want to change this niche. I love educative channels. Yes, I am planning to someday get this, get into producing movies for YouTube, but that's different. I still love my educative channels. I feel like, I always talk too much. I want to express myself. I want to read a lot. So getting all this knowledge, I don't want to keep it to myself because my head will explode. I want to share it with someone. So I still would always do educative channels, even if I have another channel for movies. Now, because I don't want to divert from this, I want to make it work. I realized that I took a break. I had, it wasn't a holiday, yeah. I went for an event. I was launching my NGO, then came back. I lost my brother. Immediately, I went back to, I've been away from YouTube or struggling to post for like 2-3 months. And now that I came back to start posting or to go back to my normal way of posting, I am shocked. You guys should take a look at these views. If you are taking all your time like I'm doing right here, and then you post the videos and you get this kind of views, if you'll be encouraged to do that business. Now, this was, I think I posted this week 3 times. Look at this video, look at the amount of views, look at this one. It keeps coming down and down and down. Now, to the last video before this one, I kept going back to that video every other minute to see what's going on. And it remained at 40 something. And I was like, yeah, this is serious. And it's gotten to the point where I don't want to quit. No, I've put in too much on this channel to quit. And also, I don't want to be earning $100 a month. That isn't even equal to half or even 1/3 of what I spend in a week to get these videos on this channel. So is this a business? No. Even if I'm educating people, I also want to make money. Yeah, I want to keep this all going. All right, enough of that. So what I'm saying in essence is, if you're a small YouTuber, you're planning to start creating content on YouTube, YouTube is, in fact, it can frustrate you. But the series I'm going to take from now till the end of September will help you and I to know if this is the environment you want to spend your time in, or you want to spend your money creating content to put in. Now, I'm not saying YouTube doesn't pay people. Like I said, if I turn to my left, I see people making at least $1,000 a month. The right, the same, up, the same, downwards, the same. But I'm just here and struggling everything as you guys are going through the videos, because I know as I'm talking right here, some of you are watching and going through the videos. Now, as you're going through the videos, you can imagine how embarrassing and terrible it is for someone to set up something like this and then you are not getting returned for what, I mean, people are not watching it. So for that, I decided that I am going to help you as well as you all help me, for us to, get out of this. We can't be in this position. It's a terrible place to be as a business person, an educator. When you're educating, you want to know that people are learning. All right. But now we're going to go through YouTube, because being a YouTuber or a content creator, that means that, or it simply means that you have to keep reading, strategizing, analyzing, and doing a lot of things so that you can grow. As you know, the years are passing, you also have to grow and improve on your channel. So we'll go through a lot of these processes that big YouTubers are talking about, that if you as a small YouTuber tries it out, you will be able to go viral on YouTube. So I have written down some strategies that we have to follow on this channel to see if we will have a change. I mean, the views, the comments, the watch hours, and every other thing. We want to see if these strategies will help any of our videos go viral. So if you're a content creator, a small YouTuber, or you're planning to start creating content, you can join Claudia Fonguh TV on this strategy, so all of us can see if our channels can have a change. Now, I wrote down a lot of them, but we're going to be adding some as much as we are reading, because I always go through at least 10 videos a day on YouTube. I mean, educative videos. So as much as I'm reading and studying and watching and going, we'll add some of these strategies. Now, I've written about 6 strategies. Let me just read them directly from my laptop. I think the first strategy we're going to try out is to do a viral video. Now, one strategy I've heard from a lot of big YouTubers that will help your channel or any of your videos to go viral is for you to use a viral topic. Meaning, I have to go through YouTube and pick a topic that I see every other educative YouTuber talking about. Then I do that same video and see how or if it's going to help my channel or the video go viral. Now, before we get into doing that first video, I actually did a similar thing with this video. Now, this particular video, at that time, a lot of people were having above 150,000 views. But when Claudia Fonguh TV did it, look at the views we had. Anyway, that's by the way. We're still going to go into it and, try it again. And the second strategy that we're going to try is set up our YouTube channel. Now, some other videos will tell you that you have to set up your YouTube channel like this and set up the video like this so that the video can go viral. So that is another strategy we're going to use to see if it will help this channel to have a change. The third strategy we're going to try is to use viral hashtags. I've been using viral hashtags on all my videos to no avail. But now we are starting a new strategy. So we're still going to repeat it and search for new viral hashtags and use on our videos and see what it will give us. Another strategy that really pissed me out is this SEOs. A lot of YouTubers, I can't count the number of people that have sent me DM on Instagram, on Facebook, for them to do my SEOs. I pay them and then they say they're going to do my SEOs and I will see a change. I have done that. I've done it myself. I've paid people to do it and still nothing happened. But we're going to try it, and this time around, we're not going to try it by paying someone. We're going to read about SEOs. We're going to try to do the SEOs on our own and then see what it will do for us. These strategies, my God. Anyway, we must go through this process because, like I said, I love educative channels and I don't want to change that niche. I want to be here every day teaching people, especially when it comes to graphic designing. All the fake graphic designers. All right, now the next strategy is to post consistently. Now that is another one I haven't tried yet. Yeah, time for confession. I haven't tried this one. Now some people tell me that they post every other day, but it is not easy as an educator to research, shoot, edit, and you have to post every other day. But I think I've gotten a strategy of posting, and when we get to that strategy, I will share that strategy of posting with you guys, depending on your niche. You understand, right? Because sometimes the money you spend to create these videos can really be expensive. So when we get to that strategy, I will show you people how we could post every other day, and see if that strategy will work for this channel and also for your own. And the sixth strategy is to optimize your channel. I mean, put your channel on promo. You can, run ads on your channel with Google AdSense, or you can also use you can use a blogger. You can use someone. There are a lot of bloggers out there. They can help you put out your channel out there and see. So we're going to use that too. We're going to try to optimize our channel with Google AdSense and also with bloggers, and then we see if it will help this channel to grow. Now we need to keep using different strategies, because I know that what I'm going through right now, a lot of you are going through it too. But you know what? We have to make the dollars from this YouTube. The other people who are getting $5,000 every month, they don't have horns on their heads. We're going to try every means possible to still use the niche you love to go viral. Now, this depends on you. Now, if you want to follow us on the strategies, remember that I am on the educative niche, while some of you are for vlogs, some of you are for lifestyle and other things. So you have to follow it according to your niche. All right. Now, we're going to search for other strategies that we could use. These are just the 6 I researched about, or I've been seeing more on YouTube. But we're going to search for other strategies and implement it on this channel and on your channel too, to make sure that at least we have some results. And like I always say, please and please and please, do not go to Instagram, to Facebook to request for any question or to ask any question from me. You can drop the question on the comment section. Well, one of the reasons why I want you guys to drop the comment here is because it's gonna help improve the channel. Yeah, so just drop it here. A lot of you go drop it there, and sometimes I would take 2 weeks before checking on my messages on Facebook and Instagram. But if you drop it right here, this is where I'm making my money, and I want to make more money. So please drop your questions here. And do not forget, the most important thing that helps the algorithm of YouTube, to push these videos every other place is the likes. So make sure you click on that like button. Now, forgetting something, another thing I also know, another strategy is a good thumbnail. But I think my thumbnails are always top notch. Anyway, I don't know, but we still have to do a lot of strategies. All right, I just want to encourage all of you, the small YouTubers, those that are planning to start. Let the failures of others not put you down or make you not to come into this side hustle, because YouTube it's a street that is very encouraging. It's a street that is very encouraging. It will break you, it will make you. All right, when you keep thinking about, oh my God, this YouTuber made $5,000 from this topic, you want to do that topic. So it keeps challenging you, but it keeps building you. All right, so no one should discourage you. I've been here, I'm still going to be here, and I'm still going to do the same niche. All right, love you all. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. So see you all on all the strategies we're going to use to see how we can improve on our channels. Mwah.